everybody. Austin from World Harvest here. I just wanted to say I had such a great time at the breakfast here at Santorini Cafe with Rudy Kusuma and team Your Home Sold. Rudy is an amazing guy, and he demonstrates such high value to his clients by taking their business and giving back to the community. It's awesome to partner with Rudy as World Harvest and help children across the world, and we look forward to the next event. Thank you so much.
This event was really fun. It was really great to be a part of something like this, and to have Lori a part of our family now, and to know that we can reach out to her with any questions we might have, any referrals we may have, which will be plenty as the time goes on. But to have this type of event, and for Rudy to open that up to us and as a thank you, and to know that he's helping families in all over the world with education, with medical, was actually really awesome and wonderful to hear. And we're excited to continue moving forward with this company and for any of our needs moving forward.
We are at the luncheon, the VIP luncheon at Santorini's Cafe for Kusuma Realty, and we were very glad that we were invited.
Who are we?
We are Rick and Carol Morris. We recently purchased a home in San Bernardino, and Lori Hintz was our realtor. We were very blessed with her. She was always there for us when we needed her, and did a great job. And we had a really fun time here at the luncheon, and it was informative. We learned about the ways that Kusuma Realty cares for children and donates to Children's Hospital, and takes trips to other countries that are in need, and we really, really like that. So we're blessed to be a part of it, and thank you so much.
Again, I would just like to thank Lori for everything she did to help us purchase our home. Also, we'd like to just give a big shout out to Kusuma Realty just for this fun luncheon. It's great food, the information, and just the outreach they do for the community and all their philanthropic efforts.
Endeavors.
And just their outreach is fantastic. And we would just like to say thank you, and God bless.